Lafayette College was founded around 1832. We currently have about 2,300 students, all undergraduate. Engineering is very strong here. Business, econ, and English are also very strong, but I think one of the selling points for the college is that it's strong in engineering and humanities, so there's a very sort of liberal arts approach to academics here. Our goal was to design a redundant system so that once professors would learn how to use one system, they would be able to go into any classroom on campus and be presented with the exact same touch panel design and equipment.
There are two basic types of classrooms here at Lafayette. What we kind of call a standard classroom, which is single projector and the 5-inch touch panel and the equipment, the standard classroom equipment. And then we also have some auditoriums, which are bigger rooms. They would generally have 2 or more projectors, and they also have some specialized equipment. Some have slide projectors that come down out of the ceiling. Some might have laser disc players or other specialized equipment depending on the needs of that particular facility. And we also have a number of labs on campus that are equipped with AMX technology, especially in the psychology department. They have a human observation lab. They have a lab where they study birds, and they also have another one where they study fish behavior.
Typical smart classroom consists of a NetLinks controller, a 5.5-inch touch panel, computer, either PC or Mac, laptop input, VCR, DVD, and document camera. We also have an auxiliary input with the system switchers we use. It's available should someone need to bring in a digital camera or some other video source. From the outset, when we identified NetLinks as the product we were going to go with in 2001, we anticipated a meeting manager-like solution as part of that deployment. So from the get-go, we wanted that kind of management. There are several issues we were looking at. First of all, we have a very small staff and we have a large number of classrooms. So support for us is a huge, huge issue. I was looking for a way that I could know what was going on in each system at any given time, and also for a way for me to then go back and say, here's what's being used, here's what's not being used, so I can do things like phasing out of older technologies, laser discs, things like that, as well as discover things about how the systems are used so we can better engineer future systems. Or, for example, find people who are using a document camera proficiently and have those people teach other people how they're using the document camera or a given technology in a classroom. So these are the things the department was looking for out of an AV system. And really that's what Meeting Manager brings to us. The things that we do enjoy about the equipment monitoring so far is we're getting emails when projector bulbs are getting close to the end of their lives, which is helping us do preventative maintenance. We're also getting the usage statistics that I mentioned before, where I can target certain faculty who are good at using certain technologies and have them teach other faculty.
Our deployment of Meeting Manager has been successful because it's really allowed us to get a hold of this wide deployment of technology. It's enabled us to maximize the management of these systems with a minimum amount of staff, and it's provided us with real data as to equipment usage.